Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Galaxy to rediscover the basics with Mayank Tiwari, a premier coaching and training channel dedicated to metallurgy studies and consultancy. Established to cater the needs of students, degree, diploma and AM/IIM metallurgy, competitive and recruitment exams for GATE, SAIL and various other government and private sector companies, metallurgical industries, working and aspiring professionals and whosoever seeking knowledge and information about various subjects and topics of metallurgy, ferroalloys, operational process optimization, productivity improvement analysis, etc. To impart practical industrial knowledge as per your specific requirements via tailor-made training sessions for your colleagues, employees and students, please contact me on knowledgegalaxy26 @ gmail.com or WhatsApp me on +91 99 071 44101 for scheduling and organizing the sessions at your place or via video conferencing. My dear friends, nowadays technology has improved so much that physical distance, actual physical distance doesn't matter anymore. You can get all your doubts cleared by sitting at your home, at your comfort zone, just by contacting me over WhatsApp or phone, so that for your benefit, please do contact me for any of your doubts. My dear friends, I have made so many videos which are available on my YouTube channel. So I request you to visit my channel regularly and repeatedly and watch all the videos available there, so that you can gain maximum knowledge about the subject and topics, and also request you to watch all my videos from start to finish, so that you can gain the maximum and complete knowledge about the topic. My dear friends, as you know that training is costly, but not to train is still costlier. And when you are not having complete knowledge or don't get any information about the topic which you need to know, so you can contact me. If you don't find anyone who can help you to clear your doubts, you do contact me as soon as possible. And so right now in this video I am discussing about In this video, I am going to present about a very special ferroalloy which is used for the manufacture of special grades of steel, and the title for today's presentation is Aluminothermic Production of Metallic Chrome and Special Chromium Alloys. My dear friends, as the name suggests that the metallic chrome and special chromium alloys, they are very special and used for the production of special grades of steel. And in this video we will be knowing about all the details about the process, the grades and other important characteristics of the product. Before we proceed, I would like to share with you and like to that you all please watch the video presented in the next slide. As you have seen and observed in the video that no water can be filled in the pot if the pot is not aseptic,
and also if the pot is already filled. The water can only be filled when there is some space in the pot. So my dear friends, I request you to keep your minds open for receiving the information so that you can receive the information correctly and gain the knowledge. But if you feel that you are already having much knowledge or more knowledge, or if you are not receptive towards receiving the new knowledge or information, you cannot gain anything. So for gaining new knowledge and information, please keep your mind open and be receptive for the new knowledges always. To start with, the luminothermic method is used for the production of certain grades of ferrochrome, metallic chromium and special chromium alloys. The reduction of chrome oxide by aluminium proceeds according to the following reaction. Cr2O3 plus 2Al, this gives 2Cr plus Al2O3 plus it generates 1,30,500 calories. So this is an exothermic reaction which generates sufficient amount of heat which can carry out the process by itself. So no need of further fuel burning and other energy supply. So this is the basic of luminothermic method. If we divide the heat effect of the reactions by the sum of the atomic weights of the Cr2O3 and 2Al, that is 2 into 52 plus 3 into 16 plus 2 into 27, it comes to 206. We found that the amount of heat generated per 1 kg of mixture is equal to 1,30,500 divided by 206 is equal to 633 calories. This amount of heat is more than required according to the rule set by Zemsuzeni, who arrived at the conclusion that the realization of the luminothermic process outside the furnace requires the specific heat effect, that is, the amount of heat evolving in the reduction process per kg of mixture to be above 550 calories. Slags formed in the luminothermic process are hard to fuse, and an increase of up to 620 to 680 calories in specific heat effects is therefore necessary. This is achieved by the introduction of sodium nitrate in the mixture, which reacting with aluminium generates a considerable amount of heat as per the following reaction. 6NaNO3 plus 10Al, this gives 3Na2O plus 5Al2O3 plus 3N2 and generates a sufficient amount of heat, that is 16,28,000 calories. So this generated heat is very much sufficient to carry out the process by itself. Preheating of raw materials is worthwhile from the economic point of view. Outwardly, the chrome oxide is a fine homogeneous powder, green in color. Chrome concentrate should contain not less than 60% Cr2O3, not more than 15% FeO, 1.2% SiO2 and 0.1% carbon. Chrome concentrate grains should not exceed 1.5 mm in size. The chrome slag obtained in the smelting of metallic chrome contains approximately 12% Cr2O3. It is crushed and sieved through a 1.5 mm sieve, and its sizing assay is as follows. More than 0.8 mm, it should be 20 to 30%. 0.3 to 0.8 mm size range, it should be 20 to 40%. Less than 0.3 mm size range, it should be 30 to 60%. So this is the specific size range for various sieve and its sizing assay. Aluminium powder is manufactured from primary aluminium, whose chemical composition is given in the table below. and its sieve analysis should be as follows. So this is the size and content of aluminium powder, that is up to 0.1 mm size. The content should be less than 10%. 0.1 to 1% mm size, the content should be more than 80%, and 1 to 3 mm size, the content should be less than 10%. And this table depicts the chemical composition of primary aluminium. You can pause the video and observe the table contents. Sodium nitrate should be freshly dried and should contain at least 98% NaNO3. The amount of chrome oxide or chrome concentrate smelted per heat ranges from 1000 to 3000 kg. The burden is carefully mixed for 30 minutes in a drum mixture. The smelting is done in a sectional cast iron shaft furnace. My dear friends, just to interrupt you all, here I would like to emphasize on some special important aspect of Knowledge Galaxy. Here, specialized subject-wise coaching classes and topic-wise doubts clearing are available. I am available for all of you to clear all your doubts, and especially for Diploma Engineering, Metallurgy and Mechanical students, Indian Institute of Metals, that is IIM, Part 1 and Part 2, and competitive and recruitment exams for GATE, SAIL and various other government and private sector companies, metallurgical industries, working and aspiring professionals. Here I would like to emphasize that whatever queries and doubts you are having in your mind regarding any subject or topic of metallurgy or any other ferroalloys production, operation, maintenance, so you can contact me for getting your doubts cleared. I will try to provide you accurate knowledge and to the best possible extent at the very shortest period of time, so that you can gain your knowledge, clear all your doubts, so that you can grow in your career, whether it is academic career, whether it is of professional career, and so that you can develop and grow. So to continue with, here complete syllabus coverage for the students aspiring to appear in the forthcoming semester exams, that is December or June, I will be providing you all. So please contact me on knowledgegalaxy26@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on +919907144101 for scheduling and organizing the classes or getting informations to clear your doubts via video conferencing, call or WhatsApp. My dear friends, you might have encountered that you might have been having many of the doubts regarding process, technology, why they are doing, why it is done, how it is done. So, and if you don't find any answer to them and nobody is there to guide you properly, so my dear friends, I am here available to guide you all, to make you know and grow, and so that you don't have any doubts related to your process, products, technology, syllabus, and I will make sure that all of your doubts get clarified and you know the topic and subject very well and completely. So again, let's move on. Okay, coming back on track. The furnace is prepared in the following manner. Prior to its assembly, the inside of the shaft is whitened with lime. The shaft hulls are then installed and bolted together on a carriage lined with fire bricks. Joints of the hulls are luted with fire clay. Then dry magnesite powder is sprayed over the bottom and tamped to a layer of 150 mm thick. The lower section of the shaft, which is filled with liquid metal during the operation, is lined with dry magnesite bricks and all joints being packed with magnesite powder. The joints of the halls are also protected with fire bricks. The bottom is then covered with a 30 mm layer of slag milled and sieved through a 3 mm sieve. Metallic chrome and extra low carbon ferrochrome are smelted with bottom priming, which ensures a uniform process. The mixture is charged on the shaft bottom up to the magnesite lining level before the primer is inserted. The primer mixture is put into a hole situated in the charge. The primer mixture contains 0.5 kg of magnesium chips and 0.5 kg of saltpetre. The mixture is charged after the ignition of the primer and as soon as the process is initiated. The mixture is spread in a thin layer all over the charged surface. It is inadvisable to operate with an open top as this leads to heat losses. It is also not recommended to charge a thick layer of saltpetre over the top either, for that causes the decomposition of the saltpetre by the heat of the furnace top, that is evolution of brownish gases. The decomposition of the saltpetre by furnace top heat increases the aluminum content in the metal. The mixture, especially when one is smelting ferrochrome, should be charged in a manner excluding any interruption, for that may cause burden and melt eruptions by evolving gases. The process runs hot and the overall duration of the heat is approximately 5 minutes only. So my dear friends, you can now imagine that how fast these reactions go and how fast they complete. Nitrogenated chrome and chromium aluminum alloys are smelted with surface priming, that is, all the burden is charged into the smelting shaft and the mixture is ignited from the top by means of a primer. The process is very hot and lasts about 2 minutes only. To facilitate nitrogen assimilation by the alloy, the smelting temperature is driven down by the addition of certain amount of slag from the preceding heats. The alloy and slag block is cooled for 5 to 6 hours following the smelting process. The shaft is then disassembled and dismounted. The alloy and slag monolith is left over on the car for another 3 to 4 hours, after which the slag is separated from the alloy. The alloy is water cooled to facilitate crushing and dressing, so that in it is placed in a tank which is gradually filled with water. After it has been water cooled, the alloy is shattered to pieces, cleaned and packed into tiers. At the same time, the alloy is sampled and analyzed for its grade determination. The recovery coefficients for charge calculations, that is based on operational practices, are given in the table below. So you can pause this video and observe all the contents of this table. It is very important from the perspective of burden calculation for the aluminothermic process of chromium and chromium alloys. Okay, moving on. The upper values of the specific heats of the process refers to the winter conditions and the lower values to the summer conditions. The estimated charge compositions for the aluminothermic smelting of chrome and its alloys is given in the table below. So you can now again pause the video and observe the contents of the table. Okay. Now moving on again. The chemical composition of the chrome oxide used in the mixture shall be as per the following table. Chrome oxide should be above 98%. Total sulfur should be 0.03 to 0.06%. FeO should be below 0.15%. Moisture should be below 0.15%. Raw materials consumption per basic ton of the alloy and chrome recovery in the smelting of these alloys is given in the table below. As previously done, you can now again pause the video and observe the table, its contents, so that you can get through it very well. Okay. Now let us consider the typical composition of the commercial alloys as shown in the table below.
Dear friends, I am providing you all the informations free of cost which are available in my YouTube channel. So do help me by watching all my videos. Do subscribe my channel. Regularly visit and repeatedly visit my channel. Do watch all my videos, contents, like the content, share with your friends, and so that I also get motivated from each one of you as you subscribe to my channel. I am very much thankful to all my subscribers who believe in me, have subscribed my channel, and like my content. So to motivate me further, please do subscribe my channel, increase the subscriber count, share with your friends so that others can also gain the knowledge. And my dear friends, all if you subscribe my channel, this will motivate me to do further better. So I hope you like the content and found the video worth. So again request you to please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also remember to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the new videos promptly. My dear friends, here if you want to advertise about your product, services or company or anything else for gaining popularity in my channel, so you can contact me so that I can put your content for advertisement in my videos, forthcoming videos. So it will be a good platform to advertise. So do contact me as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end, and I am very much again thankful to all of you who helped me, who believe in me, and please do visit my channel regularly and repeatedly. Thank you very much again. See you in the next video. Thank you.